Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into chia and flax seeds, tiny nutritional powerhouses. We all know these seeds are good for us, but they often end up sitting in the pantry. That's why I'm sharing 5 simple, delicious ways to make them a regular part of your diet. Get ready to transform your meals and snacks with these easy tricks. Let's kick things off with smoothies. Adding a tablespoon of chia seeds takes your smoothie game to a whole new level. These little guys absorb liquid and create a thick pudding-like texture. Plus, you're getting a major boost of fiber, which keeps you full and satisfied. Chia seeds have a neutral flavor, so they won't mess with your favorite smoothie recipes. Whether you're a berry blast fan or a green smoothie guru, chia seeds are your new best friend. Just toss everything into a blender and hit the on button. It's that easy. Let's move on to baking. Flax seeds have a subtly nutty flavor that enhances your baked goods. You can grind them up or use them whole. They add a nice crunch and a boost of nutrition. Think muffins, breads, even cookies. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. One of my favorite ways to use flax seeds is in banana bread. It adds a subtle nutty flavor and a nice texture. Plus, it's a sneaky way to add extra fiber. You can even use flax seeds as an egg replacement in some recipes. Alright, let's talk pudding. Chia seed pudding is like the cool, trendy cousin of regular pudding. It's creamy, delicious, and packed with nutrients. Just mix chia seeds with your favorite milk or yogurt, add a touch of sweetness, and let it sit in the fridge. The chia seeds absorb the liquid and transform into a luscious, pudding-like texture. You can get creative with flavors and toppings. The possibilities are endless. Make a big batch on Sunday night for a quick and easy breakfast or snack throughout the week. Now let's talk salads. Flax seeds add a satisfying crunch and a hint of nutty flavor. Just sprinkle a tablespoon or 2 over your greens and you're good to go. Flax seeds are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein, so they'll keep you full and satisfied. Gone are the days of mid-afternoon snack attacks. Next time you're whipping up a salad, don't forget the flax seeds. They're the secret to turning a simple side dish into a satisfying and nutritious meal. Chia seeds can work wonders as an egg replacement in baking. Just mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. It thickens up and forms a gel that binds ingredients together, just like eggs do. This chia seed egg can be used in all sorts of recipes, from cookies and muffins to pancakes and veggie burgers. It's a game changer for those following a vegan or egg-free diet. One of my favorite ways to use chia seeds as an egg replacement is in my vegan banana bread recipe. So there you have it, 5 surprisingly delicious ways to incorporate chia and flax seeds into your diet. Add them to your smoothies, sprinkle them on your salads, bake them into your favorite treats. The possibilities are endless. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more healthy eating inspiration. Thanks for watching.